children, here I am back with the map skill of class 10th. We will do map skill of the latest syllabi of 2021-22. So let's begin the map skill of chapter 1. Remember, resources and development. Only one map, that is soil types. In this map, you can be asked for only identification or labeling and identification. So let's begin our map skill of chapter 1, that is soil types. First soil is mountain soil. For making mountain soil, you have to join this neck of India to this corner of Nepal, and then this Sikkim, and here the northernmost part of Arunachal Pradesh. These three areas are distinguished for mountain soil. 1, 2, 3. So here you have to make index that this is mountain soil. Okay beta, mountain soil. Number 2, to the south of mountain soil, the second important soil of India, very fertile soil, this complete belt of northern plains, then the complete eastern coastal plain, complete, and then here the belt of river Brahmaputra. So this I will mark by these small circles. This complete belt is of alluvial soil. I am giving you the major areas of the soil. We have some areas here in Gujarat also, but this much is sufficient. Alluvial soil, alluvial soil, alluvial soil. So second index you will make like this. This is alluvial soil. Third soil is arid soil or sandy soil, the western part of Rajasthan. So I am making it like this. Only one area in the northwest of India. This is arid soil. A-R-I-D, arid soil. So now the fourth type of soil is, we will make first black soil. Where is black soil? Black soil is here in Saurashtra. This is called Saurashtra. Some portion here, and the majority of area here you can mark complete this area, the northwestern part of Peninsular Plateau. This is Peninsular Plateau, the northwestern part of Peninsular Plateau. This complete area is, I am putting this sign, this is black soil area. Okay beta, black soil area. The soil very famous for retention of moisture for a long period. So this complete area is black soil area. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में भी आपको याद रखना है इसको, और जब आप इसके बारे में कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लिखेंगे, देन ऑल्सो यू मस्ट रिमेंबर वेयर इट इज फाउंड इन इंडिया, ब्लैक सॉइल. Now the 5th type of soil is laterite soil. First we will draw laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in the western part of Western Ghats. तो यहाँ पर हम एक बहुत ही नैरो सी बेल्ट बनाने वाले हैं यहाँ तक, और इसको मैं कलर कर रही हूँ completely. This is laterite soil here, number 1. Laterite soil you have to show some here in Odisha. This is laterite soil, and the third is here in Meghalaya. Meghalaya the like this. Meghalaya में ये मिलती है ये soil. इसको हम कलर कर देते हैं this. So the fourth type of soil is laterite soil. Laterite soil here in Meghalaya, then here in some parts of Odisha, then the most important part is western part of Western Ghats. And now the last soil, whichever is left, which is left, do you remember? This is, I am putting dots, is red soil. This is 6th soil, red soil. Whatever area is left is red soil. आप यहाँ पर डॉट डाल रही हूँ मैं, पूरा complete. This is complete red soil area. सराउंडिंग द ब्लैक सॉइल एरिया. ठीक है, ये ब्लैक सॉइल एरिया को सराउंड करता हुआ. एंड हेयर ऑल्सो दिस इज रेड सॉइल एरिया. कंप्लीट वॉट एवर इज लेफ्ट इज रेड सॉइल एरिया. सो दिस इज योर सॉइल टाइप मैप. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. ये जो आपने खाली जगह देखी है, ये दिस इज अगेन एलुवियल सॉइल. ठीक है, बाद में आप बना सकते हैं, ये एलुवियल सॉइल ही है. So now you can see that the map of soil type is over. So this is your map skill of chapter 1, soil types, 6 types of soil. Okay beta, now our next map is of chapter 3. Chapter 3 is not in your syllabus, but the map skill is there. So in chapter 3, water resources, we have to mark 8 dams, 8 multi-purpose dams. Number 1 is Salal. Salal Dam is in Jammu and Kashmir. This is Union Territory. Salal, you can see here. Number 2 is Bhakra Nangal. Bhakra Nangal between Punjab and Haryana, very close to Haryana. Bhakra Nangal. Number 3, Tehri, here in Uttarakhand. Number 4, you can see this हंच ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. अपने मैप में जरूर देखिएगा. बस उसी के ऊपर राणा प्रताप सागर है. यहाँ पर सरदार सरोवर, यहाँ पर रिवर नर्मदा है. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, रिवर नर्मदा में बिल्कुल इस कॉर्नर से छोटी सी जगह छोड़कर सरदार सरोवर. देन उड़ीसा का हीराकुंड डैम. हीराकुंड इज द लॉन्गेस्ट डैम ऑफ इंडिया इन उड़ीसा. वी शुड कॉल इट ओडिशा. Then Nagarjuna Sagar in Telangana, Nagarjuna Sagar. Then here it is Tungabhadra on river Tungabhadra. Here you should know the names of the rivers also. Like Salal, Salal is made on river Chenab. Bhakra Nangal on river Satluj. Tehri on river Bhagirathi, a headstream of river Ganga. Rana Pratap Sagar is on river Chambal. Sardar Sarovar on river Narmada, Hirakund on river Mahanadi, Nagarjuna Sagar on river Krishna, and Tungabhadra, a tributary of Krishna, is Tungabhadra river. Name of the river is also same, and the multi-purpose dam is also named after that river Tungabhadra. So these are 8 multi-purpose dams. You must know on which river it is made and in which state they are. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो जाए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, लेकिन स्टेट में होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप उड़ीसा का हीराकुंड डैम को उठाकर छत्तीसगढ़ में पहुंचा दें. ठीक है, तो उसे उड़ीसा में ही रखना है. आपको एक टेबल बना लेना है जिसमें आप नेम्स ऑफ द डैम्स, रिवर्स एंड स्टेट्स तीनों लिख लें. समझ आ गया आपको? तो नेम ऑफ द, ये तो यूनियन टेरिटरी है. स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, this is in Uttarakhand, this is in Rajasthan, this is in Gujarat, this is in Karnataka, this is in Telangana and Odisha. So 8 dams. Okay beta, next map is for chapter 4, major areas of rice and wheat. Very simple. Rice is grown towards the eastern side of India and wheat is to the northwest. Only the major areas you have to show. So in the northwest, complete this Punjab, Haryana, UP, this area is complete for wheat production, major areas of wheat. And for rice, you have to show the complete northeast and the eastern, complete eastern belt of India, eastern coastal plain. So this is complete under the rice. So very easily you can mark major producers of rice and wheat. Regions, you have to not mark the states, regions. So northwestern part of India, this complete area is for wheat, and eastern part of India is completely, you can show here also, the eastern belt, complete northeast is under rice. Next is largest producer states of 1 states. In this we have to show states. In this we have to not show the states, only the regions, areas. Here now the largest producer states of number 1 sugarcane. Sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. You can write here sugarcane. Here also the largest producer of sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. Sugarcane bracket UP. Okay. One thing you should keep in mind while writing on the map, your handwriting should be not in cursive. It should be either in script or in capital letters. Okay. Number 2, tea. Largest producer of tea is Assam. So complete Assam you will mark and then you will write somewhere here tea. So tea script is T-E-A. Like this, all alphabet separately and capital you know. For tea, the state is Assam. Next is coffee. For coffee is Karnataka is famous. Nilgiri gardens are famous for coffee production. So here we will write coffee. State is Karnataka. Number 4 is rubber. Kerala. The equatorial climate of Kerala. If you remember, rubber is an equatorial crop. Very high temperature and very high rainfall. Rubber in Kerala. Next is cotton. For cotton, the largest producer is Gujarat. So here we will write cotton and name of the state Gujarat. Next one is jute. For jute is West Bengal. सी बेटा वेस्ट बंगाल आप लोग ज़्यादातर बच्चे बस यहाँ पर छोड़ देते हैं. वेस्ट बंगाल ये पतला सा नेक से होते हुए यहाँ तक. दिस कंप्लीट इज वेस्ट बंगाल. दिस इज फेमस फॉर इट्स जूट प्रोडक्शन. ओके, वेस्ट बंगाल. So only the 6 crops and the 6 states you can see. Number 1 sugarcane, cotton, coffee, 3 rubber, 4, 5 is jute and 6 is tea. Okay beta, with this map skill I will conclude my video. We have finished map skill of chapter 1, that is soil types, chapter 3 multi-purpose dams, and chapter 4 the 6 largest producer states and the major distribution of rice and wheat. So I will continue my map skill in my next video. By that time, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.